Hi there, I'm Ebony from InfaGroup. Today I'm going to talk you through the InfaSecure Versatile GT Sport Booster Seat, exclusive to Supercheap Auto. This car seat is suitable for children aged approximately 4 to 8 years of age. Let's delve into the features that make this booster seat a standout in the market. The InfaSecure Versatile GT Sport is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at less than 2 kilos, making it a breeze to handle and transport. The built-in carry handle enhances its portability, allowing parents to move it effortlessly between different vehicles or store it with ease when not in use. The folding feature of the Versatile GT Sport adds an extra layer of convenience. This booster seat can be easily folded, making storage and transportation quick and hassle-free. The InfaSecure Versatile GT Sport has a simple and quick installation process. The Versatile GT Sport does not require a top tether strap. Just place it on the vehicle seat, secure your child with the vehicle's lap-sash seatbelt, and you're good to go. The hassle-free installation provides peace of mind and combats misuse. The InfaSecure Versatile GT Sport features a taller backrest and higher shoulder height markers. This improvement provides a longer period of use for the booster seat. With the new markers approximately 4 centimeters higher than the original, children can benefit from an additional 1 to 3 years of use depending on their size and growth. The Versatile GT Sport booster seat adheres to the same rigorous safety standards as other booster seats in Australia. It passes the Australian standard criteria, including those with top tether straps. This ensures that parents can trust the Versatile GT Sport to provide a secure and safe environment for their children during car journeys. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learnt a lot about our incredible InfaSecure Versatile GT Sport booster seat, exclusive to Supercheap Auto. Make sure to follow us at infagroup_ and at InfaSecure on socials.